Today we are going to be making a delicious vegetable soup. My family loves it and it's a great addition to your Christmas meal. Let's begin. We'll be using broccoli, cabbage, capsicum, mushrooms, spring onion, carrot, onion, ginger, curry leaves and cilantro for seasoning. We are going to be using butter, black pepper and garlic for seasoning. We are adding carrots first because it takes longer for carrots to cook. Before getting started, it's always good to boil the water to make the process faster. Now we are adding 4 cups of boiling water. Let it boil for 2 minutes. To make the soup thicker, you can always use the corn flour, but if you want to be really healthy, you can use oats. So I'm going to be using 2 teaspoons of oats. Finally, we are adding the cilantro.